We're back again.
We are.
With something that heavy rotation in Kamloops back in the day. Almost
heavy.
1997. This is going to be 30 years old soon.
Wow.
And when I think of this video, I think of like lo-fi video quality, hot soundtrack, kind of dark, like footage in like wintry fall.
Yeah.
Nickel and Dime 2 is even more like brown fall footage.
And this is a Blizzard Productions?
Yes, Neil Marino, Blizzard Productions. It doesn't get mentioned enough.
No,
as
it doesn't.
one of the hot videos, but it's a really good video.
It really is.
2 took a nosedive in quality because there's a lot of big stars in this one, and 2 has a lot of unknowns. But when I think of it, I think of some specific skating, but I know it's pretty consistently good skating and skaters throughout the whole thing. Like, I can't remember it dipping too much.
I think the first half is really strong.
Okay.
I think it does dip a little bit.
When you go over the half an hour, there's going to be at least 2 sections.
But I remember the first half being incredibly strong.
Okay.
So I'm really excited.
Julio in white M12s is worth it alone. And I think we got like Pat Lennon.
Some heavy hitters in
Pat
this
Lennon
video.
stuff. Okay.
Yeah.
Here we
Remember
go.
John Starr having some hot shit in this.
The ad for the video at the start of this, I finally got to watch
official.
it. Gotta have
That's
the
good.
FBI warning.
We should add something like that to our warnings, like color, and like an emblem, so it's like really official.
Extra scary. Oh yeah, whoa! Look at these guys skydiving.
We're gonna open up with jumping out of a plane. Love it.
Whoa!
Love it. I'm engaged.
Whoa.
I'm so engaged. They just jump out of a plane.
Look at
What's
that
gonna
logo.
happen next?
Look at that footage. This was always such a bad scream.
I thought it was interesting. It was like fake. It was
She covered her head.
I think was she being goofy? Did she actually hurt herself?
I think
It's
she
kind
hit
of
her shin
mysterious.
really hard on a very rough ledge. Did she lace that trick in this video? Because that was really nice.
It was a nice soy out.
Mimi Xing, I think. Yeah, so this video,
ready?
we never got to watch it. I finally watched it in really low quality. If anybody can post this video in high quality, I'd love to watch it again. It's called Lost Cities, and it was like their Hoax, the Blizzard version of Hoax 3 almost.
Okay.
And it was sweet. It was like John Ortiz touring around Europe. I can't remember who else is in it, but I recommend it.
A new film from Blizzard Productions, and what's
Yeah.
it called?
It's called Lost Cities.
Lost
It was like their
Cities.
world.
You ain't seen
nothing yet.
Did they have the title of the video?
No.
In the ad?
No, this was similar to the last video where they were like marketing
Something's
their
coming.
future projects.
We don't know
So
what
it's exciting to market the future projects.
Yeah.
Oh, so smart to have the art featured, like the cover art. Although the cover,
Very nice art.
amazing art.
Yeah.
For this, such like 90s. I don't even know what you would call this, like comic book mixed with graffiti.
Really good. Nice boobs.
Oh,
Oh, that's
look at
nice
this
backslide. That gets you hyped. You're like, oh, are they gonna be doing backslides that nice in this? Oh, rocket fish with some pawn wrist guards and a visor. Hyped.
Oh.
Some underboob.
There's a pimp behind her.
I'm hyped. I'm engaged.
Yes.
Pat Lennon.
Good grinding sounds. Those rolls. Oh, he was,
Oh, I always loved the way he came out of this time grind.
he really slapped that down. Oh.
Oh. Some attitude. Some attitude so far.
Oh.
Okay, getting creative.
Tim Ward.
Nice, Tim Ward.
All of this
signature.
is so. Yes.
The quintessential little shit. Randy Spicer.
This guy.
Oh, Joe Dedarento.
Oh, yeah, that's
What's that called?
Acid Sidewalk.
So
Jay
nice.
Dick.
Oh,
I remember I heard about this trick before the video came out. He hit his ass on the way out.
I liked the sketchy ending of that trick.
Is that John Abina?
John Abina.
Oh, Johnny Hedges with the slick back hair.
Dayton Coopersmith.
Oh, yeah. I always get those two guys mixed up.
This is a pretty international video. We've got the European contest.
Mixing the
because it was out of New York, but there was also California footage.
Oh, Pat
that
Lennon.
was nice. Disaster Royale.
What we got here?
John Starr. Just some classic style.
That
was a nice Royale.
K2's.
Nice stance.
And what's this guy's name again? He was in the previous video we watched.
Kind of looks like Sam Fogarty, but not Sam Fogarty.
That's gonna bug me. That Fast Planet Soul thing.
Oh, Pat Lennon.
Got some
Arlo with an aggressive mute 360.
I love that shot. Everybody lined up at the shitty rail. And yeah, the fall, definitely overcast fall vibes too.
Yeah. Oh, just a nice 180.
Really aggressive tweak.
Ooh, effort in the run-up.
That was nice with the run-up.
Very nice. The stuffed animal.
Helmet guy, right?
Helmet guy.
I don't know
helmet
who
guy
that was.
With the big sole down the kink. Oh, she laced the Royale. That was nice. Slow Royale.
She wore her K2s out just in that one grind. They were done on that ledge. I think I wore knee pads over the jeans.
Me too.
Because of this.
Because of this, yeah.
It looked really good.
Yeah.
Oh.
Damn, that was nice. That was very interesting.
Julio's a working man when you watch all these old videos. He's just got it done.
He got it.
He's just always good,
there.
always good.
Made appearances in all the videos.
Yeah.
This just looked fun. Like it made you want to do a line in a parking lot.
Yeah, this was unconventional at the time.
And is this Pat Lennon? Or is it a guy that looks like Pat Lennon?
It's a good
because it kind of looks
like Pat Lennon.
But I don't think
it might not be Pat Lennon.
Oh. That was
he had the medium hoodie.
Medium dope white hoodie.
I think it is
this
Pat Lennon.
backslide, dude. Oh my god.
You can't.
You cannot.
I don't. You can't do that on modern skates. I don't think.
Jonathan Ortiz. This
New York City.
So yeah, New York. Gritty. Oh, he also went to Europe. He was balling. Just a slow backslide. So nice.
It's okay to go slow if your grinds look like that.
Definitely okay. That was a nice 5. Parallel?
Yeah.
Damn.
Parallel 5, really nice. I can't grab parallel anymore because I haven't been stretching enough. Like I go for it and I'm like this far off every time. Oh. Simple airs,
Some
hey, done
good
style.
skating. Oh, Rawlinson. I'm a little bit disappointed.
Unity was nice.
Jonathan is not skating anymore. That was actually really nice. That was a high Unity.
He lost points for pulling up the knee pads midline.
That was sick. How the guy was sitting there and he came pretty close to the guy.
Did any?
Oh, that was nice. Okay.
Here comes the Misty.
Oh. Damn, zero porn.
Wow.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That too is still really good. Oh yeah, so here's the grab cut, the famous grab cuts.
Some power. Ooh, that was nice.
That was really nice. That was really both frames with one hand. You don't see that. Oh.
Some interesting grabs. This guy's powerful. Just a strong man skating some vert.
Eddie Campos, right?
Oh. Those are grabs.
That one's really nice.
That was actually pretty sick. Like normally I'm a little bit down on vert skating, but that was a dope little session. Like he killed it.
This is just gonna all be good.
Julio skating Shima's park.
So is that why you can do that trick? Is that
fast slide?
Yeah. Is that where it comes from?
Yeah, maybe. I can do it like kind of lifting up the topside foot sometimes and slapping it back.
Yeah.
I gotta do it just fast slide into it.
Did he grab the fast slide? Or
he may have. Yeah, that was nice.
It was just really good. Low quality,
slow Unity.
You had to be able to do that trick.
The Misty, got to.
Oh yes.
Wow! Look at that switch up. Alley-oop. That was nice.
This is. Yeah.
That guy had good style. This kid ultra memorable. Oh, negative mistrial.
This switch. So,
Iconic.
yeah.
That was beautiful.
That was the first we had ever seen any budget.
That blew me away. Whoever this kid is.
Who is this kid?
Respect. Such good style.
He was a huge highlight. Oh. Yeah, he was a huge highlight of this video.
Yeah. He's actually what I think of when I think of nickel and dime.
You're right.
It's that budget switch up, that backslide to alley-oop porn.
Just a solid sequence. I liked how his wallet, he was pre-dangling before our espionage
Some good
came
dangle.
out.
Yeah, solid.
The wallet chain just coming out.
This is Webby?
Zach Webby Murphy with the soccer jersey.
Oh, into dirt? I don't
That was
know
a long Unity.
It was.
Oh. Young people
Randy
destroying.
Spicer, a young man being flown to Europe, and he's gonna smash a car. You kind of wanted to be that kid. Watching this as a young guy.
To be Spicer?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, everybody wanted to be Spicer. Crisp Senate clothing.
Of course, brand new. Nice haircut. Such a little shit. That stops everything.
The way he did it, it was the Hoax 2 thing. It's a likable little shit.
Yeah, totally.
Sorry. Looks around with this smile. Oh, excellent song.
Damn. Look at that setup. It's pretty epic.
So dangerous
Damn.
with
A little dink at the end.
and just with the soul, like this is a M12 with heel plates. We're talking precision on these grinds.
Yeah, really responsive boot.
M12 is just the classic skate.
Yeah,
You watch
some-
these old videos and everybody's tricks, for the most part, looks good. I love the way that guy looked at the camera.
Oh. Real nice.
Oh, Brian Smith throwing down.
Oh, slow, stylish Soyal.
This is Amsterdam, I think.
Are they all stoned?
It's like it's a trade show for all the companies mixed with a comp demo type
Yeah.
situation. And again, they're probably like, this is gonna last forever.
Yeah, this is great. Getting paid.
That guy was always so sketchy.
Burly.
I don't know who this is, but
Oh, front Unity, throwing down.
oh,
That's crazy.
I don't know if anybody's done that one again.
Flat to flat like that.
So I feel like Fast Shoes came out first, and then this video came out because we got the Motorhead song. We're seeing some sidewalks. True Spin, one-footed wall ride.
That would be really fun, like a box next to a wall like that.
This part
Wall
looks
rides.
amazing.
Oh, Ryan Smith.
The concentration face was so good coming up.
Really
to
good
that.
face. Damn, they were throwing down.
Well, their sponsors were probably watching. Their bosses. It was weird that we knew what Red Bull was before it came here. Like Red Bull was a European thing, but the branding was so distinct and memorable on the ramp.
Yeah. Yeah, for a long time, wasn't Red Bull illegal in Canada?
That was like
Because there's bull,
bull testosterone
testosterone in it.
or bull testicle or bull testosterone. I don't know.
Testosterone.
Doesn't he get messed up here? Oh no, he doesn't. Look at the pants on this guy. What?
Whoa, that guy's got baggy pants. Is that the owner of Senate?
Yeah, Mark Heineken.
Nice jacket. You can tell he owns a company. Of course, that guy.
He does look like
He owns a company.
We gotta get jackets like
Yeah.
that.
Oh, Pat Lennon.
He had the helmet on for that. That was smart. First bad song of the video,
Yeah,
but
it takes a
good
little
skate.
bit of a dip with this song, but really good skating. Pat Lennon. Oh, look at this.
Killing the game.
Just really good royales.
Doesn't it go like,
Terrible song. Just terrible.
nothing?
Oh, sit down,
No.
Unity. That was incredible. Pat Lennon had nice stances on his grinds.
This kid's got energy.
In spin back rail. Johnny.
Who, I don't know.
Johnny Hedges?
Who is this guy? He's got a mustache though. He looks very modern with the mustache. Very current. What? I don't know. That trick was really funny. Sometimes just like...
Clipped his foot on the stair.
Did he?
Doesn't count. Doesn't count.
They put it in though.
He didn't make it.
Just elbow pads always a bad choice. Like, come on.
Big ones.
Big ones. I mean, unless...
All I see is the elbow pads.
That's all I see too. But I always liked how happy he was to get that. I was surprised Van Andrews was so acrobatic. If that was him.
I think it was.
Good fast plant Macchio.
It's hard for me to take this seriously to this song. It's just...
They should. He doesn't have heel plates there. Crazy.
Like there was a song like this on Tony Hawk Pro Skater. I kind of feel like I'm playing the video game right now.
There's always, in these old videos, there's always a song like this that just ruins the flow.
It seems like all these old videos, the first like 3 songs are really good, and then the later half, it's all terrible song choices. I don't know what were they thinking with this.
Hearing this sometimes just reminds me of being like in the sun for too long at some event.
And then it being like turn down the music, it's too loud and you just want to go home.
Even when you're that young.
You're just so hot, like
I'm happy that section's over. It was starting to bug me. Oh, here comes excellent trick, excellent song. I love how he drew that out.
At night. There we go. This song really matches J Dick's style.
The way he comes off of stuff sometimes.
Alex? Oh.
The white M12 is just looking
skates.
so... Yeah, and he's
amazing.
still dope.
30 years later. Oh, nice. Grabbed mock. He held it the whole way.
Something so
Carlos?
funny about, like, just a long balanced grind from a teenager wearing, like, dope fresh gear and waving their arms around. Like, rollerblading is kooky by definition.
It's like, pretty kooky.
Like, if you look up kooky, this is a strange and eccentric activity that these boys are doing.
Sliding? Doing slides on the
blades? You got boots and you're sliding down stuff.
Oh.
But, like, you're dressed cool and you're feeling confident and you're not playing a traditional sport. I like those high fishes that Rawlinson is doing.
Really nice.
That was always so unique.
A little budget.
Soul to front side. Those backwards crossovers.
That was really good.
Oh, there's little body language things that are just so funny. Then it's on the mic. Oh, I showed this guy twice. He must have been friends with the guy who edited the video.
Guy? This was getting creative. Getting creative.
That fucking sucked. I'm sorry.
Fucking sucked.
I'm sorry to whoever that was.
Joe Dedorento.
Oh, yes.
Shit, you better never go to New York. But
I don't even know if that guy was from New York.
Joe Dedorento? I think so.
Was that Joe Dedorento that did that?
I think it was, yeah.
Okay, sorry, Joe.
I don't know if you're welcome in NYC anymore.
Sorry. Hey, I've done some experiments that hasn't worked out.
It's true. You got to take risks.
Yeah. Oh, that was really nice.
That was really nice. Oh, might as well just backslide this again because it was so nice.
Great camera work too.
Oh, that one was a little bit not as smooth as the first one, but still pretty sick.
Well, this guy gets more.
Damn.
So this is like a New York section then. Oh, the front sidewalk.
Oh, I always remember this.
This guy was dope.
The unity, the way he like balanced it out was so nice.
He took up so much of the camera frame compared to everybody else.
It was a very soulful unity.
People throwing down in New York City.
Oh.
Do you have headphones on there?
I love how that kid only has tricks like on that rail. He's got a couple other tricks, but mostly it's just on the Brooklyn Banks rail. Like, that was his kitchen. Like, he just loved that rail.
He just... Yeah, he didn't... Or he did the Misty.
Yeah.
But... Oh. But you're right.
Oh, John. Your butt. The fall section. We need a really stupid ska song for the fall section.
God knows, I got no time.
This song is the same vibe as, like, you know, it's playing way too loud and for way too long, and you're sweaty and around really annoying people.
Or being in a hot...
Pretending like you're having fun, but you're really not. You just want to go home.
Yeah, or in like a car that's way too hot and they're just blasting.
The driver loves ska, and he just...
Or, yeah, like...
endless playlists of shitty ska.
Yeah, or like Fat Records era, where it's like every song...
This is the type of music I like, and I only like this.
There's some... Oh, that would have been sweet. Oh, he almost did a torque slide there.
Ooh.
Oh.
Gotta be careful on those things. Oh, Brian.
Brian Smith.
He always has a good, like, staple Brian Smith
He does.
fall
It's
in the
so
fall
distinctly
section.
a Brian Smith fall. Oh, we tried to 5 it. That's the set that Shima hits in FOR. Oh. Julio had good style when he fell. That guy was having a bad day.
Yeah. Oh, bad choice.
Yeah, really bad choice. Oh, watch out. We were the age of that rec skater is our age now, but we still dress like these little kids when we're out in the streets. Oh, that one was awful.
He never recovered from that. I'm alright.
When they look like possessed by pain. But you got to play it cool.
Oh, the San Francisco section.
Hill bomb? Who's...
It's a funny
How he
idea.
looked kind of scared, but he got it. Oh yeah, making fun of the dancing was like a staple, right?
Right. You're dancing.
We're not doing the same thing.
Mocking the dancing. It's not genuine
it's not,
dancing. Oh, John Starr, real sick.
Oh,
Damn.
we got Pat. We got.
Is
John.
that Pat?
That is.
Or is it a kid that looks like
That. This is Pat
Must
Lennon.
be
Look
Pat.
at that back unity.
Okay, it's gotta be Pat. Really young Pat.
I love that he just stopped and landed in the dirt, and then like weird footage from a different camera. Calvin?
Oh.
I don't know who that was. Okay, it's coming back now. This is so Paul Molina
Is that Paul Molina?
is the Vert guy from.
Australian?
Yeah, he's in some Free Advice, right?
Paul Molina? Oh, Unity.
He's in Bowers, I think.
Yeah, I can picture ads with him with like a cheesy saying and him doing like a Vert trick and like
there's
fear
like
is just an illusion or something.
Yeah, there was like the comic book one. Remember there was like a comic book ad that you could tell some agency got paid a lot to do, like where they presented a bunch of concepts. And yeah, we're gonna go with the comic book one.
Yeah,
And then
they
as
dropped like $40,000 on the ad.
And then as the person that you're being marketed to is like, what is this?
This bullshit.
This is stupid. I just need a dope skating photo with the Bauer logo. It's like that's it.
Ooh,
Kelly Matthews?
Is that?
I think that was Kelly Matthews.
Probably shouldn't put stickers on your face. Like the adhesive wouldn't be very good for your skin.
That's right.
If that was my kid, I'd be like, don't put stickers on your face.
It's smart advice. That's the parent in you now.
Yeah.
Oh,
That's nice.
That was a nice
It's not
one.
Christ, it's like a different variation. Like
It's a torque sole, but your foot's on top.
holding
of
it
the other one.
sideways. Very interesting.
Fully padded.
Whoa. It looks like
Doesn't
it's like
get-
5 a.m. Like, I'm gonna go do this kinker at 5 a.m.
This guy's going for it. He sent in his sponsor me tape. Oh, there's a different guy now.
Oh,
who's this?
Good face. Oh, that was so nice the way he surfed those kinks. He really like
The
really
K2.
nice.
K2, the soft boot
Damn.
Royale, I think. This guy was dope. I can't remember this guy's name, but he's from Florida.
That was incredible.
That was one of the nicer tricks in the video so far.
Yeah.
Oh, dear.
Oh, hi, Webby.
Yeah, just a frontside down wedge. Oh, so that guy,
not
that's the guy
vendors.
who was in the fall section. Oh,
Yeah.
I'm going to switch the grab.
Man, his really nice white crew shirt.
Oh,
That's dirty.
spot didn't look that fun to skate, honestly.
The rail was really nice. The landing was horrendous.
Even the run up might not be. Oh yeah, we got a Webby song, Webby like rock section.
That was a nice soul attitude.
Webby's like one of those people that you knew and he was around, but he never got past like a certain point. He was always like a guy that was just kind of.
He was a permanent
Hard-
Grom. Like, he
Yes.
never surpassed Grom level.
You're right, and but
Yeah.
he never reached the Matt Mance level of notoriety.
Right.
Oh,
John.
I'm really into
Damn.
the when people do simple grinds on a high short object in this video. It looks
Really
really
nice.
good.
All of John's tricks are so nice.
John's
good
killing
style.
the
Oh, long.
game. He had to go like that past the pole.
I feel like I referenced that trick when I did it, the long wheelbarrow at the skate park.
It's weird how those things are just built in. It did look like that. Pat's got a lot of footage in this video. Oh yes.
She's back.
Style.
I don't really hate this song.
No, it's not that bad. It's not as bad as the punk one. I always wondered who that was because I love the way he hopped out of it.
Is this like the triumphant outro?
Yeah. I don't think we haven't even made it that far, or have we? We got a ways to go.
Jeez. It feels like this should be the last section. But of course, they have to include more bullshit.
Yeah,
Oh, wow. That was a nice top of acid.
that was really nice too. This is always a great shot.
Great part of the song too. Really boned out sweat stance. Brian Bell?
Oh yeah, definitely. They should have just gave Pat a full part. I love that he did 540 stair ride there.
That was sick.
Oh, Nick.
540 stair ride, keep the fakie to outside frontside. That
Yeah.
was nice, dude. Really nice. Brian Bell.
Whoa, what a bold choice. He 540'd with In the Rain. Oh, that was always so
Ooh.
nice. Gil.
Gil. You would think Gil would have more in this video.
He
didn't have much.
might. Maybe he was working on something special. Okay. I can't remember what happened.
Kind of a weak closer of that section.
Now we got a vert section. Park.
Whoa.
I wonder if that rail's still there. We've seen that in the last video.
Yeah, I wonder.
Joe in California.
It looks really hot. Damn,
Down on
nice
the beach.
sit-down sole.
It's a cool angle.
Yeah. Oh. The sideways hat made the unity. Sideways hat unity kid going down the kink, just being
Is that-
comfortable.
Oh, Petty. He's dangling. He's got the hat.
Petty.
So he did it before Fredericks. He was the first
Fredericks
to dangle the
definitely
hat.
got it from Petty.
That was always a good little addition. The Jack in the Box.
That rail looks really fun, like a mellow.
What a strange activity we chose. Sometimes when you watch this, it's
This is what I'm gonna do for a long time.
yeah. Always love that one. That's in the mushroom. Oh, here we go. Boom.
Damn. Oh wow, that was nice.
Petty sold that one.
Wow, that was maybe one of the slowest backslides ever. Incredible.
I love that. Now, if you landed a trick that slow, people would be like, no, right away. But I love that he just owned
It was
the
so
speed.
nice.
Oh, boom, bang.
Brian, parking lot
We got
line.
parking lot line.
That parking lot would be
That's
fun.
a nice
Look
parking
at that
lot.
parking lot.
The bank. Oh, drive-through? What? A bank, maybe?
Really
Closed for the weekend?
nice.
Look at that spot. Holy. Nick Poderick.
Always good.
Always sick, yeah.
Wow. Wow. Iconic. Webb is
Okay.
back, jumping over a bench.
Is that guy reading or was he passed out on the
Maybe
bench?
both.
Everything on this
Alex
is
had
so
to grab
funny.
the Macchio too. I can do that shit too.
Yeah, that highlight just dope. We got, Renee. Early fast slide, wheel slide. 9:06 p.m.? So bright out still.
Yeah, that's a young man. How do you skate at that hour? I'll be in bed already.
Is it getting to the part for you where you start to feel a little crazy?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I hit that point like a couple sections ago. This is the pattern of all these old videos. They start out really strong, you're really hyped, and then you just start to kind of go crazy towards the end. Like, it's a little much. Like, the music gets weird.
And the randomness of it, that you almost want to focus more on one person. Like, I want a Nick section
Right.
to one song.
Right. It's too much. I remember this really nice front flip.
Oh, yeah. Chris Evans.
To the crowd. Damn. The crowd loves it.
Front flip.
Did he win like $10,000 at this event?
This is the one that Arlo won. 96? Maybe he got...
On
We'd
the
have to check
beach.
the standings. Oh, okay. Here we go. There's something about parquet in this, right? About margarine. In this rap battle. Or it's not even a rap battle.
I remember watching this as a kid, like, it was weird to see a guy that old rapping, but in retrospect, he's not even that old. He's probably like 31.
You think so? Yeah, you're right. I always just this guy would have been 40 to me back then.
Maybe he is in his 40s. He's probably our age now. Oh, that was good. That was good. It seemed fun. Like in New York, people would randomly start rapping.
Yeah, you're right.
That shit doesn't happen in Kamloops.
No.
This is their buddy. Oh, show him what's up. Oh, too slow. He wants it fast.
Yeah, there was no random rapping in Kamloops.
They kept this really raw.
They're collaborating right now. They're trying to get at the right speed.
Yeah.
Nice to see that. They're in the studio together. There isn't something with Parquet. What did I think? I must have been thinking of a different hip hop song.
It's gotta be more like the stage, man, to release your rage. You better fucking shit on your beat front page of the Daily News.
They showed the process of the creation.
I like seeing the creative process in real time.
I think you did say Parquet.
Oh, they locked in.
Feeling it.
So he was dissing them, calling them the Mighty Ducks, right? This guy, like, because he had the nice shirt with the stripes. I think he was the friend that didn't skate.
Right, yeah,
That
yeah.
hung out with. I don't know if he's wearing skates, but
He's
I always
really good at beats.
I always got the impression, yeah, he was the Beats guy who hung out with the friend group.
He's having his moment at the session.
I mean, unless that's somebody and I just don't recognize, but
He totally seems like the friend that doesn't skate.
yeah, maybe he's an NYC legend. We're gonna get called out, but we had the same assumption when we were young, right?
Yep.
That he
Yeah.
didn't have skates. Well, you wouldn't be skating in that shirt.
Maybe he was. We might be wrong, but he definitely has that vibe.
Yeah. And he seemed like older than the
Yeah.
rest of them too.
Yeah. Because we had friends that were older that wore sweaters like that didn't skate.
And
that
maybe
came
they had
along,
pierced ears too. like
And maybe
that.
they could do the beatboxing thing.
Yeah, we were. So are we showing our unconscious bias towards the guy?
The sweater guy.
This was always good. That was always a great shot.
Really good. Quiet morning, eating cereal in your baggy
And
jeans.
just keeping it nice and long. This is like I could watch a whole skate video done in this style.
That'd be very cool.
You don't even need the song. And Transpac, the marketing didn't work. Did you ever want a Transpac?
No, didn't want one.
I
I'm sure
think-
they were really functional, but never cool.
Yeah, for
You wanted the Senate backpack. See, I had a
Yeah.
Senate backpack, and that was cool.
just another day at the office.
Man, he's a pro skater. He lives in New York. He eats cereal and baggy pants. Just want to be that kid.
Yeah, Transpac was like if you lived in an urban environment. Oh, whoa! Coming soon.
Transpac.
Whoa.
It's a weird name for a company.
Well, and they just broke one of the rules of marketing and branding. It's like you called Transpac. Who wants Transpac sunglasses? If pack is in the name.
Right. Yeah.
Unless the sunglasses had little packs
We should make
attached, like little.
where you could put stuff
Put
on the
stuff
side.
in
It's a
the
good idea. It's a good idea.
Factory Wheels, I think, was an NYC.
I never wanted factory wheels.
No, we were more a fan of the West Coast brands
Yeah.
in videos traditionally. 888 has always been a cool brand though.
As cool as you can be for a protective gear company.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that was a dope shot where they froze it on the skate. This is a shot in film. Shin guards. Look at that duffel bag. That's amazing that they still exist.
Yeah.
I wear a 888 helmet.
They've done well as a company. Longevity. .976 was pretty cool.
976 was definitely cool. Oh yeah, legendary. I love being able to see inside of stores in old videos. Like, look at this magazine store.
Anytime someone walks into a store or skates into a store, it's interesting.
It's true.
Yeah.
Look at that section.
That's a lot of mags. This was before the internet.
Yeah, before dystopian science fiction.
Hey, it's you.
Hey, it's you!
I love that the guy was down to do it too. Like that is.
Very cool.
I know.
They may have known him.
Yeah, it might be their local spot.
Hey, it's you!
Hey, it's you.
Hard line.
Oh. They had the hardline text on the. Oh no way!
So did these companies pay Blizzard Productions for an advertisement in their video?
It's a good question. Yeah, how much? Does anybody know how much an ad was?
I want to know.
Or that these people supported the video? Interesting that
Blizzard
Asphalt.
Productions must have made some pretty decent money.
You think
selling VHSs.
Yeah.
Like back then, I bet a lot of copies of Nickel and Dime sold.
Oh, probably for 97?
Yeah.
And if it made its way to Kamloops?
Yeah.
Ray Mendez.
Chris Back.
This is a custom font, too.
Yeah.
This is the same thing as there was a couple songs like this in Espionage. Not good electronic.
It just makes you feel anxious. It's not enjoyable to listen to this song.
This kind of music.
I just really want it to be over. Like, please, just end.
Landfill techno, landfill electronic. Just throw away. I
Daytune
think this
Cooper
is
Smith? Was that a joke?
Daytune.
Because it's Dayton, right?
So was Kato the guy that did the Fakey 7? It must have been. I've always wondered. That he totally landed like Kato. This is, I thought the video was going to be better than it was.
See, that's the thing. It starts really good. It fades. It really fades. But, like, you gotta... Just so that on the VHS, it can be, like, 40 minutes. It's like, oh, getting my money's worth. But it really could have been, like, 15 or 20 minutes.
20 to 30 is...
It could have been a really strong, like, 20 minutes.
Yeah. Or if your video's 40 minutes, you better come with some hot fire. Like, I feel like... I remember we really liked FOR 2. And I think that was closer to the 40-minute mark. But I remember, like, that being one of the better ones that we've watched.
Yeah, it's
since
gotta
doing
be
commentaries.
Really good. All the kick-ass
Credits.
Brooklyn skaters.
Just a long credit section. The song's still going. Like a 6.5 for this one. 6.
Yeah, 6. Maybe 6.5. I mean, the beginning is really strong.
Nickel and Dime 2 is not as good as this one.
Wow.
So, I don't know. There's a lot of videos I want to do before that one. Yeah, this song is making me feel crazy too.
Like if you were like handcuffed, in a basement, and you had to listen to this song over and over for 17 hours.
Stop playing the Crystal Method.
Please stop playing the song.
It sounds like a throwaway club scene in an early 2000s movie. Or maybe like late. Yeah, when there's like a club scene in a movie in like the late 90s, early 2000s,
right.
It's that.
Just generic club music.
That did not give me the burst of energy I was hoping.
No.
Okay. Well, thank you.
It gave me a burst of energy, and then the energy dissipated by the end, and I just really wanted it to be over. You want to leave people wanting more. You don't want them to be happy that it's over and never return to it again.
I bet there's going to be a video that we do where we just get up and leave, or just decide that we're not going to finish it.
We can't do it. Well, we made it through that what is it, 30 minutes of falls video?
Yeah, and that's when we stopped doing commentaries for a while.
It just fucked up the commentaries.
Well, next one, we got some good ones planned for next. And sorry to Joe.
He had some dope clips, but that one line was, what was it? It fucking sucked.
I apologize,
Respect.
I always hated that.
It did really suck. I'm sure he would agree.
Yeah.
I'm sure he would agree. And you've done some stuff that fucking sucks.
Lots.
We've done a lot of stuff that fucking sucks.
I've probably even experimented with stuff that looked like that. So, what can you do?
We need to do a line in MV9 where you grab solo to grab Macchio to grab solo to grab Macchio. If it just went on like a really long version of it.
I think It was the determination mixed with, did he kind of kick his foot out or something?
And then it doesn't even, there's no ending to it. It just cuts, because you could tell he like missed the third Machio. So they just put in the beginning of it.
It's always so funny to me. It's like, people would be shocked, like, man, why do people think rollerblading looks bad? Or it's like, you watch some of these videos, it's like, well, this kind of, you know, there's some evidence.
Hit and miss.
There's some evidence that it wasn't fully developed, and there is some stuff that you see and you just start laughing.
It's a combination of really stupid shit with some really dope shit.
That's what makes it addictive and interesting.
Yeah.
And it still is like that. The kid doing crossovers, or he landed his trick in the skate park. How we just started laughing at that. It's worth it for a few things.
Because you can tell he can't actually skate, but he's really good at grinding stuff.
Well, I love like the confident body language and face that
often
you see.
Paired with a visor.
Yeah, or like a hat
and some wrist guards. Really good.
Fuck.